Welcome to How to Create a Digital Product. In this video, you're going to discover the 5 tips to create digital products that sells. Here are the key takeaways if you want to do well online in the biggest growing market, which is information products. 1. Instant gratification is the strongest appeal you can use when creating a low-ticket, entry-point level information product. For example, if you had a toothache, which dentist would you rather go to, the one that will fix it in 2 weeks, or the one who can do it right away? 2. Narrow your focus. Just like the highest paid doctors are also the most specialized, creating a product for a very specific market or on a very specific topic makes everything else easier traffic, easier conversions, higher price points, etc. 3. The best audience to go after is one who is completely neglected by all others, and who is buying mediocre products knowing they're mediocre, because at least it's better than buying nothing. 4. The criteria for creating a one-sitting product, a solution your customers can apply and see benefits the first, second, or third attempt. It can be easily linked to saving/making money, and the pain of their problem that you're offering to solve increases each day it remains unsolved. 5. Use the Amazon.com bestseller books list to find a best-selling book in a category within a category within a category. Then, look inside the book and find a single chapter that meets the above criteria. That's how you find your product topic. With this information, you will be on your way to finally becoming your own boss and not worrying about any financial burdens. Because you will be able to provide value while helping people solve their problems. Click below in the description to watch the training now. Thanks for watching.